And what have you noticed the most since you got the Turbopol water softener?
Well, Jorge, if I had to highlight something, it would definitely be the effect on our skin and hair. Above all the members of the family have noticed it, but especially my wife because she has atopic skin and always has some redness and itching. And since we've been using the water softener and that water, honestly, the quality of her skin has improved a lot. It's much softer and she no longer has problems with redness or itching. And then also when it comes to hair, well, all of us have noticed it, but especially my wife and daughter who have long hair, they've noticed a huge difference. It's much silkier and easier to comb. And especially for them, since they sometimes use really good shampoos and beauty products, they've noticed that they last much longer, and with exactly the same amount, their hair is much silkier and much nicer.
Of course, because it enhances the effect of those chemicals, right? That shampoo, just like with the washing machine, you use much less, but I imagine it works better. And
Absolutely, absolutely. We've noticed it as well when it comes to clothes and laundry.
then also when it comes to installation, we did it in a utility box, which might surprise people.
Yes, yes. Honestly, years ago I had a traditional salt-based water softener at another place, and I kind of had this prejudice in my mind, like, is it going to be a hassle? Is it going to be big? Is it going to be really hard for them to install here? And honestly, the unit was installed inside a utility box in no time at all. As soon as I realized it was already installed, I mean, you guys installed it in no time at all.
Exactly, and I mean, you don't even see it.
No, exactly.
And you don't have to add salt. You don't have to worry about changing the resin either. We come once a year, do maintenance, and that's it. You can forget about it.
That's right.
Very good, perfect. So, Mario, you also had problems with the pipes due to pressure and flow, right?
Yes, out here in the countryside, and actually we've been dealing with this for a while now. We had tried different things people suggested, but the truth is we had low water pressure. And honestly, thanks to the installation of the system, now we have really good pressure.
Very good. And then also, of course, you have animals here, you have farmland, you even grow some things around here. Of course, the water from a salt-based softener.
Exactly. With that kind of water, for us, it was a limitation, and we didn't want a salt-based system because then for watering the vegetable garden, for watering plants, which is something where we've really noticed a big difference. That is to say now, the plants look wonderful, all thanks to the installation of this system.
Yes, that's the sanitizing part that the system also does, which removes all the limescale from the pipes and also changes the viscosity of the water. And for the plants, well, they grow much better because they absorb the water more easily. What would you recommend to people here? Because of course, it's a new technology. People are just getting to know it. They still have the saline system in mind. So
I would tell them that honestly, the day they have a system like yours, like Turbopol's installed, the only question they'll ask themselves is, why didn't I do this sooner? Because I also came from years of having a saline system, hauling bags of salt, doing maintenance, dedicating a lot of space to it, and honestly, now I have this and I barely even notice it's there. You come once a year, the maintenance is done in no time, and all the advantages have been wonderful. So, I mean,
I would tell everyone to install Turbopol.